get up to all sorts when you leave the
Yes!
including drinking lots of delicious milk. You can enjoy some milk and uncover the secret life of pets. Now at McDonald's. Some fun, some food, it's all inside this Happy Meal.
Where are we going, Mr. Peabody?
Not where, Sherman. When?
What? Huh? Oh, boy.
Oh, my.
Warning. The County Weather Service has issued a warning for a meteorological event. This warning is effective immediately and continues until sunrise tomorrow morning. Citizens are advised not to observe this event with the
EAS. Oh, come on, not the EAS.
Local county authorities have issued a civil danger alert. The County Weather Service has issued the following correction for the weather warning in effect. For your safety, remain indoor.
The meteorological event is safe for all to view. Warning has been lifted.
Wow, so dark.
Oh my God!